In the very first week, the students all get together and they all come up with their own individual idea that they want to create. Then we have a day where they all put their ideas up and they vote. And the best 10 ideas won and got to be the subjects of this year's projects.
It's about the whole end-to-end experience of an engineer, where we get to give our students, our participants, a playground where they can tinker and learn new things, play with those components. But more than that, there's an end goal, there's a higher goal. The purpose for their training is so that they can build something that solves a real problem.
These kids are given a very compressed amount of time to get a lot done, and so a lot of it is keeping on top of your plans, project management, communication, teamwork. You know, these kids, some of them, they've never met each other, and now they have to become best friends in 5 weeks and make something together.
Yeah, this program's pretty intense. We're working every day, you know, but we are meeting new people, meeting new friends, learning. So yeah, I think this program's about fun too, not just the 5-week, like, fully focused project.
Scary fun.
Scary fun.
We kind of naturally formed into a couple teams, and I think just the facilitation of an environment where everyone can play to their strengths and kind of gravitate to more what they want to do and what they can do has really pushed our project along and helped everyone succeed in their own ways.
My motto this year is that good engineers are not born, they're actually made, right? So you have to prepare them both technically on the concepts and skills and tools that they need to use, and then also preparing them to be more systematic. Instead of just tinkering, we're really training them to be like intentional, deliberate, just like what a good engineer would do.
I do really, truly enjoy helping the kids out, seeing that moment when it clicks for them. It's something pure. These kids are they want to do this, there's passion. I mean, they're showing up on a Friday to work 8 hours uninterrupted on this because they really, really want to make it work. And so, I mean, that's infectious. It really is. You get down there, you get in the trenches with them making stuff, and it's awesome.
We figured out and managed a lot of stuff through the help of the TAs, but they wouldn't do everything for us. They would definitely be like, okay, here's a starting point, try to achieve this. If you can't, then let me know, and then, maybe we could work around that together. But we still, I think, had a lot of room to grow on our own as well.
In my opinion, one of the greatest things this program offers, counterintuitively, is an opportunity to fail in a constructive environment. This is their opportunity to run into the kind of problems that a real project might run into. All those kinds of things that could throw a wrench in the real world projects, they are gonna have experience handling that kind of adversity, and their job's not on the line.
It's been a lot of iterations, it's been a lot of trial and error, it's been a lot of new challenges and having to overcome them and learn on the spot. But now that we're nearing the end, I think I can say that we succeeded and we're on the brink of making something really excellent.
We learned a lot about each other and not only about each other, but also what we could do in our personal skills. I think I said this before, but in the beginning, I didn't think we were gonna be able to get a working product, but we're so close and I can see the end.
It's just amazing that all of this happened organically. We're just relying on their intrinsic motivation to solve the problem. So if they trust the process, I think what we've seen is that in the end, they will produce really amazing results.
We're doing a lot of good teamwork, and I feel like our product is very applicable to the real world today. I hope that on demo day, people can see the value of our product, and hopefully we can get voted best team. But if not, in my mind, we already are.
I mean, these kids are literally making whatever they came up with when they walked in the door 5 weeks ago. This isn't like a curriculum. This isn't a prescribed class structure. This is, what do you want to make in this world? And here's how you can try and make it.